Hello, good morning, students. This is Patnaik sir from Railway English Medium School, Bilaspur. Once again, welcomes you in the online classes. Today, we are going to revise the physics. That is, first chapter's motion as well as relating to the force and laws of motion. Okay. Now, today we'll do some numericals regarding this. Now, write down a body of mass. A body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second of 10 meter per second. It is acted upon by a force of 10 newton. What will be the velocity after 1 second? After 1 second. See here what is given, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. It is acted upon by a force of 20 newtons. What will be the velocity after 1 second? Okay, what will the velocity? They will give four options. You guys have the choice. Okay, this type of question. Here I may change the weight and all that things. Write down first. Now I want to check whether the class is going right or not. See, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. It is acted upon by a force of 20 newtons. What will be the velocity after 1 second? See here, what is given, a body of mass. What is the mass of the body? 5 kg. First of all, when you are doing a numerical, what is given, you write down. Okay, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Now, what is the velocity? U equal to It is moving. U equal to 10 meters per second. It is acted upon by force. What is force equal to? 20 newtons. What will the velocity after 1 second? See here, a body of mass, it was moving with a speed, means initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, force is 20 newtons. Now what will the velocity, means you have to find final velocity, v equal to question mark here. V equal to question mark. Now you know that force equal to mass into acceleration. What is the force given? 20 newtons. What is the mass? 5 into A. Or you can say 20 by 5 equal to A. Or A equal to 20 by 5, that is equal to 4 meter per second square. This is what? Acceleration. Now what you have to find? Final velocity. Now you know the equation. First equation, second equation form. Now we have to find V. V equal to U plus E. Okay, V is the final velocity. What was the initial velocity? 10 meters. Plus A, what is the acceleration? 4. Into what is the time? He has asked what will be the velocity after 1 second. After 1 second, V equal to 10 plus 4 1 ja 4. V equal to 10 plus 4, 14 meter per second. So final velocity will be 14 meter per second. This type of questions may be asked. Once again, I will, a body of mass 5 kg, mass is given, was moving with an initial velocity. What is the initial velocity? Was moving with a velocity, means when it is moving means initial velocity, that will be taken. Now suppose this is a body is a rest. When a body is moving, this body is moving means initial velocity 10 meter per second. Okay. Now this is, suppose this is a body. This is at rest, means it is having initial velocity u equal to 0. When you put a pressure, when you put a force on it, the body starts moving. That will be final velocity. Or suppose this is moving, when you applied brakes, this will come to the rest. At that time, the body which was moving with a speed, that is initial velocity, and when will come to rest, that is final velocity. At that time, v equal to 0. Here you, it was moving 10 meter. F equal to, you have applied a force 20 newtons on it. Then what will be the final velocity after 1 second? What will be the velocity? F equal to 20, V equal to question mark. You can also write T equal to 1 second. Now we know that force equal, according to Newton's second law, force equal to mass into acceleration. Force equal to 20 equal to mass. What is the mass of the body? 5 into acceleration, you don't know, you have to find. So 20 upon 5 equal to A, or A equal to 4 meter per second square. You got the acceleration. Now what you have to find? Final velocity. It is given by the formula V equal to U plus Et. V equal to, it was moving with a velocity of how much? 10. U equal to 10 plus A. What is the value of A? 4 into time means 1. 10 plus 4, 14 meter per second. Therefore, the final velocity equal to 14 meter per second. Come on, take down. Now it's going. Okay, come on. Hello. I think all this problem we did it in the earlier also I explained. Now see how much the, see one, how much force, how much force, how much force is needed, how much force is needed to produce an acceleration, how much force is needed to produce an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. in a body of mass 500 grams. Okay, how much force is needed? Now force equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is given 20 and body mass is given 500 grams. This you convert into kg. That is equal to m equal to 500 g. This equal to 500 upon 1000 kg. Equal to how much? 2005 by 10 means 0.5 kg. F equal to mass into acceleration. Now what is mass? 0.5 into acceleration is 20 meter. This you will get it. Okay? 25 the 100 at 10 Newton. Now see here, in the examination at least 6 to 7 numericals will be there. Numericals is short in the short form, directly solve it and put the tick mark over there. Sir, principal sir, I already sent you the details how to answer, how to put the correct answer, the type of model answer paper. Do practice. Once you practice, four choices will be there. Today I will be sending through four choices questions. Okay. If four choices are given, how to, and if you are doing the numericals, you do in the rough paper and put a tick mark. Don't take the help of any parents or any brother sister. Okay, do it yourself because this is test for you only. Now, see here the recoil velocity. One question will do. A bullet of mass 30 grams 30 grams is horizontally fired with a velocity of 100 meter per second. A bullet of mass 30 grams horizontally fired with a velocity of 100 meter per second from a pistol of mass 1.5. What is the recoils? What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Come on, write down. A bullet of mass 30 grams is horizontally fired with a velocity of 100 meter per second from a pistol of mass 1.5 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Come on, write down first. Now we'll see the problem. What is recoil velocity? Suppose this is a pistol. When you fire it, it will move backward. This is called recoil velocity. Okay. By Newton's third law of motion, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. A bullet of mass m1. First of all, you write what is m1. m1 equal to what is the mass of the bullet? 30 grams. Whenever this you convert into kg, 30 grams divided by 1000 kg. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1 more 0.03 kg. Okay, this is mass 1. Mass 1 means m1 of the bullet. What is fired with a velocity v1 equal to 100 meters per second. The velocity of that bullet is 100 meter v1. Okay, then fired with a velocity 100 from a pistol M2. What is the 1.5 kg? It is given. V2 we have to find. V2 means recoil velocity. Okay, let V2 be the will. Now, according to the law of conservation of momentum, you will directly write M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. You will write according to law of conservation of momentum M1 U1 equal to M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Now see what is the initial when you hold a pistol in this way. What is the initial velocity? Will be 0. That is m1. First of all, what is the value of m1? 0.03 into 0 plus m2. What is the m2? 1.5 into 0 equal to 0.03 into what is the velocity? 100 plus m2. What is the m2? 1.5 into v2. Okay, into 0. This will be 0 plus this will be 0. Now, how much you'll get? 3.03 into 100, 300 after 2 plus you put the this will be 3 plus 1.5 V2 or bring this side minus 0 means minus 3 equal to 1.5 V2 or minus 3 by upon 1.5 equal to V2. When you solve this V2 equal to remove the decimal, this equal to 30 upon 15. When you remove the decimal, you will put 10 here, 30, 50, do that. V2 equal to 2 meter per second. Now this is minus, so this will be also minus. Minus negative sign indicates that the pistol is moving backwards. Okay, so the recoil velocity of the pistol is 2 meter per second. Got it? What you have to do? This type one question will become this type of question may come in the examination. Once again, I want to explain this problem. A bullet of mass 30 grams is horizontally. Now, horizontal vertically means in this direction. Okay, horizontal means in this. In this way, you are holding a pistol and your what bullet is fired that, and the bullet was moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second. What is the recoil velocity? Now, first of all, what is the mass m1 equal 30 gram? This is the mass of the bullet. Point convert into kg, point zero. V1 is the velocity with which the bullet was moving. M2 is the mass of the pistol, 1.5 kg. Now, what will the recoil? V2 equal to question mark here. Now, according to law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. What is the mass of 1.03 into 0 plus 1.5 into 0 because m2 is 1.5. This will be m1.03 into what is the velocity? V1 100 plus M2 is 1.5 into V2. Now this whole thing will be 0. 3 this will get you will get 3.03 into 100 you will get 3 plus 1.5 V2 or 3 when we will take this side minus 3 equal to 1.5 V2 or V2 equal to minus 3 that is equal to V2 equal to minus 2. The negative sign indicates that the pistol will move backwards. Okay, got it. This type of question, in any question you do practice, we have done enough problems. I gave many examples also. Always remember one thing, when you are doing M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. This is the law of conservation. On the basis of this only principle law of conservation, rockets work on this principle only. M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Okay. One more problem I'm giving. The mass of an object is 50 kg. What will be the weight of the object? What will be the weight of the object at the center of the earth? What will be the weight of the object at the center of the earth? The mass of an object is 50 kg. What will be its weight? What will the weight of the object at the center of the earth? Come and do it first. This is very easy. Always, whenever it is asked to find a weight equal to given by the formula m into g, or m equal to what is the mass 50 kg into, always remember at the center of the earth the gravity is always zero. You will write at the center of the earth the gravity. So weight will be zero. Okay. The gravity at the center of the earth is always zero. So weight equal to m into g. Mass is given 50 kg into gravity is zero. Therefore W equal to zero. Now one more question. Write down. A 300-meter long train crosses a 1200-meter long bridge with a uniform speed of 54 kilometers per hour. The time taken to cross the bridge is dash. Suppose there will be four options. What you get to? Until unless you solve the question, you can't tell. So first of all, write down the question. I will explain. See, this is very easy. A 300-meter long train. Suppose Suppose this is a bridge. ये तुम्हारा ब्रिज है, ये ट्रेन है. Bridge is 1200 meters. Okay, bridge is 1200 meters, and this is a train of 300 meters. Now, how much time will it take to cross this bridge? See, very simple. Means how much time it will take to cross. Time equal to distance by speed. Speed is given in kilometers per hour. First, you convert kilometer into meter per second. Very easy. Kilometer into 1000 upon 60 into 60. You will get meter per second. Now, because this is given in meters, that is why. Had it been was given in kilometers, okay, then 300 kilometer long train can't be 300 kilometer. Okay, so this will be in meters only. Now, see, suppose this is a bridge hai, and this is a train 300 meter. How much time? When you will come, it will cross in this way. Okay, how much time? Means total how much distance covered? This is 1200 meters. And what is the length of the train? What is this? 300. 300 plus 1200. Total distance how much? 1500. So total time equal to distance by speed. Total 1500 upon what is the speed? Speed is given in 54 kilometers per hour. So 54 convert 54 into 1000 upon 60 into 60. 1010 6 1 ja 6 9 ja 54. 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 2 2 5 ja 5 3 ja 15 meter per second. So what is the speed of the train? You got it meter 15 meter per second. So time equal distance by speed. Distance how much total distance? 300 plus 1200. Total how much? 1500. Divided by it will take 100 seconds to cross the bridge. Okay, one if you want to convert into time, okay, it will be 100 seconds. If the answer is given 100 seconds, see the choice here. Otherwise, if you it is given in meter second, convert, that is 100 by 60. 1 1 6 1 ja 6. What is left? 4. Okay, 1 minute, say 40 seconds, you can say. What is left? 1 minute 40 seconds. Or if it is given in decimal, you find it in decimal. Got it? This type of questions. I will be sending revision questions today because only one class is left over, which will be on Friday before the examination. And on that day, we'll revise. As I told you, the syllabus already I given 2 times. Complete gravitation means universal gravitational constant. Everything will come in the examination. Okay. Time is running out. One question you can do. This you got it? Have you understood now? A man starts from a station and moves with constant acceleration for 2 minutes. If he covers a distance of if he covers a distance of 600 meter in this period, find the acceleration. Find the acceleration. A man starts from a station and moves with constant acceleration. You know what is the acceleration? Rate of change of velocity for 2 minutes. If he covers a distance of 600 meters in this period means during 2 minutes, find the acceleration. Okay. Now you know initial velocity. Man starts from a station means he was standing at the station means the initial velocity u will be 0. Okay. Constant acceleration. Now what is the time? Time equal to 2 minutes. Time equal to 2 minutes. You convert into seconds. 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds. If he covers a distance is given 600 meters, means S equal to Distance is equal to 600 meters. What is the acceleration? Which formula you will use? S equal to ut plus half at square. S you got 600. U is the initial velocity, 0 into 120 plus half into A into time is given 120 seconds. Okay, you will get the acceleration. Because we have to find A, you will get the acceleration. Okay, time is running out. With this, I am ending my class. Whatever the question, do revise. 25 questions will come in physics. 25 multiple. You should be very accurate in timing. Very okay. What type of questions I am going to give? I told you 5 to 6 numericals, 6 to 7 numericals will be there. Do practice whatever we had done in the numericals, whatever we did. Take down all the numericals in your physics copy and practice. Okay, with this, I am ending my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.